Welcome to Purple Streetlights, Michelle's bird shorts. This is my beautiful girl. Her name is Phoenix. She's so cute. I'm getting her a top cover cage playpen in about 2 weeks from Temu. You guys gotta turn that down. Watch as I give her kisses.
The power of the thing could not be undone.
All the kisses. I've only had this bird for 2 weeks, and I trained her within 1 week, basically one day, to come out and be awesome and just hang out, have fun.
Right?
Here she goes. She just flew to me.
In this moment,
He was a very strong bat person, right?